We've not yet lost all our graces. The hounds will stay in chains. Look upon your greatness and she'll send the call out, 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 send the call out.
Pagi.
Call all the ladies out, they're in their finery.
Terima kasih. Lanjut rekan-rekan. Baik, lanjut baik. Insya Allah ada 4 hal yang ingin saya sampaikan ke kawan-kawan terkait apa yang memang harus dikerjakan.
Dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run free. Living in between teeth. Now bring my boys in. Their skin in craters like the moon. The moon we love like a brother while he glows through the room. Dancing around the lies we tell. Dancing around big eyes as well. Even the comatose, they don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run free. Living in ruins of a palace within my dreams. And you know we're on each other's team. I'm kinda over getting told to throw my hands up in the air. So there. So all the cups got broke, shards beneath our feet, but it wasn't my fault. And everyone's competing for a love they won't receive, 'cause what this palace wants is release. We live in
Kami dan seluruh peserta Raping Rakor WITEL Makassar tahun 2020. Terima kasih untuk semua partisipasinya sejak kemarin hingga hari ini. Rakor kita banyak diinterv oleh beberapa hal, tapi saya merasa pelaksanaannya lancar dan baik. Dan yang paling penting, mudah-mudahan kita semua bisa memenuhi apa yang kita komitmenkan. Mudah-mudahan mumpung kita masih diberi amanat untuk menjalani tugas baik di WITEL maupun di Telkom Akses, mudah-mudahan kita bisa selalu memberikan yang terbaik buat unit kita masing-masing, buat Telkom kita dan buat
pretty, but we sure know how to